are going to unbox and review the newest portable speaker from the JBL Go series, the JBL Go3. So before we start, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube account. You could also visit our website, that is droidhero.ph. Welcome to our unboxing review. So here we have our JBL Go3, and inside this clear plastic box, we have our Go3 speaker, JBL branded Type-C cable, the quick start guide, the safety sheet, and the warranty card. Droidhero is an authorized reseller of JBL, and all JBL product comes with 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Moving on to our speaker, for the dimensions of our JBL Go3, it is 8.8 by 7.5 by 4.1 centimeters, and it weighs 210 grams. As you can see, the exterior is also covered in a durable fabric grille, and it has a more rounded feeling compared sa kanyang predecessor, which is the JBL Go2. Medyo boxy kasi yung type nun, and dito sa ating JBL Go3, mas rounded yung sides niya. We also have this cord loop sa gilid, and underneath that, we have the USB-C charging port. Sa harapan ng ating speaker, andito yung malaking logo ni JBL, and above that, we have these 3 buttons for the play and pause and the volume controls. Napakadaling gamitin ng ating speaker, and you could actually skip a song by double pressing the play and pause button. On the right side of our speaker, we have the circular power button and the Bluetooth pairing button. Sa gitna ng dalawang buttons na to, andito naman yung ating LED light indicator. We also have rubber strips and rubberized panel sa baba at likod ng ating speaker, so it is designed to play vertically or nang nakahiga. The Go3 also features Bluetooth version 5.1 with a maximum output power of 4.2 watts. It takes 2.5 hours to charge fully, and you can get 5 hours of music playtime from a single charge. It also has an IP67 rating for dust and water, so the 6 means it is completely dust-proof, at yung 7 naman, ang ibig sabihin nun, pwede mo siyang isubmerge underwater for 1 meter for about 30 minutes. So moving forward to the most exciting part of this video, ang ating sound test para sa Go3. So magpe-play ako ng isang jazz, electronic, bass, and rock song gamit ang ating speaker. Let's go! Doesn't get distorted kahit naka-maximum na yung level ng volume ng ating speaker. The mids and highs are extremely clear along with the vocals, and it has a clear, refined bass kahit naka 100% na yung volume. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga speakers na kapag tinodo mo na yung volume niya, nagiging jumbled or muddy na yung tunog. And for a small speaker na katulad ni Go3, it can immerse an average size room with its audio. Overall, I can say na this speaker has a rich and relatively powerful audio for its size. So just a quick recap for our JBL Go3. Again, it plays bigger than you'd think for its tiny size. And para sa akin, mas gusto ko yung design ng ating JBL Go3 dahil mas rugged yung look niya. It also has an IP67 rating for dust and water, and you can get 5 hours of music playtime from a single charge. Plus, it is also available in multiple vibrant color options. So aside from black, we have the red, green, blue, pink, and teal color. So if you are interested in this speaker, just visit our website, that is droidhero.ph. Doon makikita mo pa iba pa namin mga products simula sa laptops, mobile phones, tablets, Bluetooth speaker, headphones, and even microphones. So if you have any suggestion on what products you want to see next on our unboxing and review video, just comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Always remember, be safe and we will see you again in our next video. Bye!